buddy, get
Congrats to you.
Oh, I didn't hear a move because I was reloading. I got 20 round mags.
Oh, I got it.
That thing is loud as shit.
No, that thing was right over my ear.
That thing is fun to use, isn't it?
Firing, though, that thing sounds epic. It's just...
That's why I like gas guns.
All right, everybody, get into a ring for me. All right. Make certain everybody's heads are down. Tristan, down.
My eyes are closed.
That works. Okay. All right. So. If I tapped your hand, look up. Put your heads back down. All right, everybody, hands in. Look up and open your eyes. All right. This guy's a new sheriff.
Epic.
Sweet. He looks like he'd be running a war camp, but he's your sheriff.
Take me to your Jews.
All right, so
I would like to be deputized for the sake of good measure.
terrorists, you know who you are. Civilians, you know who you are. The game has started. Get to work.
All right, come on, deputize.
Alright, can we all make a pact not shoot the first 30 seconds?
Dude, you're on the first one. I know it's not a terrorist. I'm just going to move to the back of the map, everybody. Goodbye.
Trader's truce.
Trader's truce.
So weird shaking with my left hand.
Okay.
Let's get this.
Alright, should we take out...
Wait, can we use full auto?
No.
No! Hey, if you look towards that one, I'm gonna shoot this. I'm gonna shoot this. Whoa!
Why are you stepping forward?
We're just trying to go somewhere.
Just trying to actually play the game.
Dude, Trader's truce. If you're a terrorist, you shoot me last. Truce?
Wait, no, stay there, stay there. Stay there.
You gotta shake hands.
Verbal.
This is fun. This is boring. I made a trader's truce with him. I've got a trader's truce with him. Am I cool? Okay. I don't have a holster. I can take the mag out. Please don't shoot. Oh, damn it.
Right.
Trader's truce. I've got to shake your hand.
Alright. So who's?
I say we set up
So we set up back here.
like a guard perimeter.
Yeah, worst case, they have to come back here and we're not moving.
Here, I don't like those people over there. They're being suspicious. Yep.
Alright, move. Alright, reload.
Hey, bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang.
What?
Hey, bang, bang.
Bang,
You're a
bang.
traitor?
Bang, bang.
Bang, bang.
I'm out!
Jed, damn it.
Damn it, dude. Someone go call.
Up, well, they know.
They see us, don't they?
Yep, they know. We need to get the sheriff.
Yeah.
Fuck. It's the German dude.
Yeah.
Guys, he's posted over there.
Is he aiming towards us?
Nah, but he's looking at us. God damn it, that dude. Look, hey.
Whoa, what are you doing?
Oh, fuck. Oh, we're fucked.
He's trying to aim us.
We're fucked. I'm gonna walk this way. They need to get the nerves off of them.
Yeah, those people shoot.
Because we need to be walking around. That's what makes the game fun. Everybody needs to be walking around. That's such a sick sounding gun.
That is a sick sounding.
I know, it sounds so good.
Pop that it does when it
Did he just kill them?
I think it's one of these guys. I think we're all good over here. I'll be upset if one of these people.
Yeah.
fight me. No, I don't think any of them are good.
Trying to get as many allies.
Oh, right in the elbow.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
I knew it. I knew it.
man.
I saw you.
I had a fucking feeling.
Wait, Jack.
He was the traitor, little scum. Guys, I saw him look up.
I think we're good.
All right, guys, that's round. Terrorists win.
Oh.
Wait, did all the traitors die?
Bro, you were
Bro, you almost gave us up walking back.
You were like, oh. So we both split up. We're both split up.
These guys were pointing their guns like, oh, and
Yeah.
I was like, whoa.
Gather back up. This is gonna be our last round.
Those kids were like.